didn't mean to do that. Ready? Get down. Oh. It's Kenlock. Oh. The dog's out. The dogs are out. Who let him out? Who let him out? Who let him out? Who let him out?
We need to fight. Use lethal force if necessary.
Hey. You stay here, Jazzy. You stay here. Run, run, run. Come on. We're moving. We're moving out. Our dogs just got out. Ready? 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 Hey, I'm gonna run, and then I'm just gonna tackle you, okay? Okay? You get in front. 3, 2, 1, go. No, I'm going to tackle you. Just run. Run, Forrest. Run. Go, go, go. No, not that way. Wrong way. Wrong way. That way. That way. Come in silence. Silence time. So look nice. Hi, Skid. Oh, yeah, do that. No! No! I had to, bro. I had to, dude. I just saw people. I just saw people. Don't mind this. They're inside. They're inside. What the fuck are you doing? Oh. Come here. Now. We have to get Skid somewhere. Did you? Okay, good. No. Fall backwards. 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 Stop. Bro, stop. I'm gonna make a dead sprint to Papa's truck. Okay? Okay. Okay. 3, 4, 6. To do this. Okay, bro. Oh. Here's Peach. Yes, I'm hungry and thirsty, dude. We just had to run a bunch. Oh, big old jug. JJ. What the fuck? It was slammed. Probably me slamming you, bro. This is yours. This is yours because it's not all ooey gooey. Give me mine. Oh yeah, that's mine. It's got a lot of jelly on it. Oh, oh, this is called the Skinwalker Hunter meal.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the fuck? Let there be light.
What?
There's nothing over there, dude. I'm so hungry, dude. This hits, dude. Just slaps. Slaps just like I slap my wiener.
You can't say that.
Where's your light down there? Okay, for this PB&J, bro.
No, you can't. No, actually
Like,
you can't.
if there's a girl named JJ and a girl named PB, here I come. If your initials are PB&J, or P&J, or JMP, and you're not a dude, hit my number. And if you have big knockers.
No! Stop! I think this is weird.
Let me get in that, JJ.
Hey, yeah!
Okay, for all the kids watching,
I was
don't listen.
for all the kids watching KBC.
If you're a kid that's 15 and older, hit my number.
No! What is the guy?
Even better.
I will throw this back at you.
I'm rock hard.
If we're actually still out there hunting,
We are.
well, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, right when we say Skinwalker come walking by. Okay.
I throw this back at it.
Whoa! What the fuck was it? That's true. I'm being dexterous this time. This is fucking free. What the fuck? Inside now. Now, run, go, go, go. Oh, fuck. You need a meal perfect then. That's just great.